For years and years, we used a paper system. It was a lengthy process.
It was all in a book, paperwork, X's, checks.
Out of desperation to find something, knowing that there must be something better out there that's going to help us, we began our search and we found Aladtec. You know, your developers, I feel like they've worked in EMS and they understand some of the challenges as far as maintaining certifications or maintaining equipment.
The Aladtec system provides me with a great tool for being able to schedule and saves me a ton of time on having to recontact and reshuffle schedules.
This allows our employees to go on their smartphone or computer, put in for a vacation day, it immediately goes to their supervisor.
It makes it so it's not that much effort on management's part. They kind of do it themselves, we just okay it. That's huge.
We were able to select the whole member database or select based on skill level or certification level.
Our training captain can go in there and set up a little section that when an employee logs on to Aladtec, they've got to check a box saying, I've read this policy and I'm aware of it before they can do anything else in Aladtec.
In Aladtec, I can put down when they were certified as an instructor and when their certification expires, and that'll prompt me to make sure that I get them in the class.
We have several times where we have to find staffing for an event, and just by putting some text in it and send it out is so much better than trying to go through an email list and sending out customized emails.
Once we started getting into the forms section and building our own forms to take a lot of the other stuff we did on paper.
So every officer fills out a daily patrol log.
We use the forms quite a bit. That has definitely helped us organize.
We do everything from vehicle inspections to gear inspections to vehicle accident reports.
All those forms are able to go directly to their appropriate reporting section. If I want to simply look at vehicle maintenance forms, I can just filter them out and look at those. Narcotics forms, ambulance readiness reports.
PTO accrual time off, or where overtime is being used, or even reports of what guys are doing with the Aladtec system.
Some of the challenges that are presented by doing special events such as the Saints schedule are a variety of schedules, day games, night games.
Use events for on-call supervisor, so if there's not a supervisor on duty and they have an issue, they just pull up Aladtec, they can look and instantly see who's on call.
It's also allowed us to post our events, some of our PR events, some of our ride-along requests.
There is an area in Aladtec that allows for us to put all of our policies and procedures. And
the biggest thing that we've done is using that storage component to put all our training videos and all our education stuff in there for members that don't make the meeting. So that's been a huge thing.
They just simply log in with their username and password, and it's self-explanatory as to what they're viewing and what they want to do next.
I could go in there and log in within seconds and approve of any time off that's on there.
if you call most any company, you either get somebody at the front desk or an answering machine, automated, please push this number. When you call Aladtec, their IT department is the first person that answers the phone. We were purchasing staffing software. All the other components that come with this just blew us away. It has made life so much easier.
Definitely saves quite a bit of time.
Aladtec is so big, and so you just start off with the scheduler and the member database, and then you start to explore all these other little avenues.
I wish I would have found this company years ago. It's probably the most economical as far as price for what all you get.
Oh, this is really not a big expense at all. Minute compared to a lot of the expenses we're out of as a municipal fire department.
I think it's a great system. I use it, both as an employee and now in management, scheduling for my department.
We should have done this years ago.
This, when I came in and saw it, I was like, this is the way to go. This was a good decision.
I think it's a great product for public safety in general.
And their customer service is through the roof.
It's a great system and great people to work with.